Hey folks, John Green here, back with another update. This will actually conclude my 7th week as a sales engineer. So here's my reflections as this week has unfolded. So this week I realized that I had to figure out how to go about paying off the corporate credit card that I get from the company that allows me to, book flights, pay for meals while I'm traveling and so forth. And I didn't really understand how I was supposed to create reports in order to get that card paid off. So a lot of this week was figuring that out and getting that submitted so that the company can actually pay off that credit card. But other than that, I worked with a few of the REs that are within my team. And if you're not familiar with what a RE is, that's a residential engineer, or you may know this as a field engineer. But essentially, they're typically the engineers that are on site with customers more so. And essentially, I worked with them and coordinated plans and establishing an agenda for an upcoming training that we'll be doing. So that should be fun. Lastly, I also spent some time this week setting up a Apstra demo lab. A lot of my forte is within the data center. So I figured it would be nice to have a standby lab available in case I need to quickly spin up a scenario and identify, some of the cases in which, that particular solution could be implemented within a customer's environment. And lastly, this week, I've started to resume my studying for my JNCIE-Security. So yeah, if any of you folks are studying the security track, stay tuned for some, how-to tutorials coming out regarding the security track with Juniper. You might find that helpful. But that concludes this week 7 reflection. As always, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.